Hello, I am Carlos from Michigan Works of Shelby, and today we're going to focus on Microsoft Word. So these are the learning targets. The learning targets are the concepts that we're going to cover that you're going to know how to do after the presentation is over. The first learning target is we're going to learn how to successfully navigate through Microsoft Word. The second learning target is we're going to create and save documents. And the third learning target is we're going to learn shortcuts to make navigating Microsoft Word easier. So let's talk about the first learning target, navigate Microsoft Word. How do we find it? Well, here's what you need to do. You need to click on the Windows tab at the bottom left of the screen. So the Windows tab, what is that? Windows tab is, it kind of exactly sounds what it sounds like. There are four little rectangles put together to look like a Windows pane. Go ahead and click on the Windows tab at the bottom left of the screen. Once you click that, you will then select the Word option. Once you do that, you're going to select the blank document option or choose template. What's the difference between a blank document and choosing a template? Well, a template is, there's different variations of templates. Word has resumes, even menus, different flyers maybe, where a blank document just gives you a plain white sheet of paper you can type whatever you'd like on it. Go ahead and choose what's suitable for you. Once you have a Word document open, you're going to be able to create a Word document using format options. You're going to select the desired format options. You're going to be able to select the font, size, and color. Let's focus on that little image to the left of the print. Okay, locate the little rectangular box that says Calibri. That right there is font. Font is the way the words are going to look as you type. Word has tons of different font. I want you to pick the one that's best suitable for your project, for your typing. And how do we determine that? Well, if it's for something professional, something for business, for work related, whether it be resumes or cover letters, or maybe you're typing an essay for college, you definitely want something that's made for business. Calibri is great. Okay. If your intent with your writing is supposed to be something more playful, you can definitely choose something that's more playful, font that's more playful on that Word has to offer. Next to Calibri, there's a box that has the number 11. That is your size. The larger the number, the larger the size. The smaller the number, the smaller the size. And then I want you to locate on that image the capital letter A with a red bar underneath it. That right there is how you determine the color of your font. Once you select the font, size, and color, decide if you want bold, italics, or underline. Bold just makes your text darker. Italics puts a slight slant to it, and underline, well, underlines everything. You can find those with the B, I, and the underline U underneath Calibri. Okay, so once you have exactly what you want to write down, let's go ahead and start talking about how to add text to a Word document. Place your cursor where you want to add text and begin typing. Again, the cursor is wherever you lead your mouse. That's where the cursor is. To capitalize a letter, I want you to hold the Shift key and then tap on the letter that you want at the same time. So hold the Shift key and tap the letter. That's how you capitalize. To indent your margin, press the Tab key. Indenting is perfect for starting your paragraphs. To type a symbol, I want you to hold the Shift key and then tap the symbol that you need. So for example, let's say you want the $sign, you will hold the Shift key and then tap 4. That'll get you the $sign. To use numbers, select the numlock key. Depending on whether you're on a computer desktop or on a laptop, you may or may not have that option. Let's talk about replacing text in a Word document. You're going to select the text you want to replace. To select a single word, double-click it. Now let me talk about this double-click. it has to be rapid. It has to be a click, click, because if you take too long between the click, then it's not going to highlight the word for you to replace it. To select a line, click to the left of it and begin typing. Once you're done typing on a Microsoft Word document, let's go ahead and start talking about saving it. You're going to select File, Save As. You will then select the drive you want to save the file in and enter the name you would like the document to be saved under. You will then say Select Save. Now I'm going to show you some keyboard shortcuts for Microsoft and Internet. Instead of using your mouse to perform basic functions, you can use your keys on the keyboard. Here are 5 shortcuts. To copy, hold the Control button, tap C. To paste, hold the Control button, tap V. To print, hold the Control button and tap P. For cut, you're going to hold the Control button and tap X. And to undo, it's hold the Control button and tap Z. Of course, if you have any questions, we can work with you virtually one-on-one to help you get ready for your next interview. Contact us by using the contact form at the site listed there. You can also call or email us. These are the numbers to the different centers around your area. As of now, we are virtual appointments only.